back. So today I'm going to show you how to use star code in Roblox Mobile. So let's get started. You're going to open up your Roblox. Once open your Roblox account, now after you have opened up your Roblox account, the next thing you need to do is click on this icon here. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to how much and how your balance of this star code that you have on your Roblox account. So let's wait for it. You can see currently my Roblox 660. So this is where you'll be able to buy your star code. So you can see I can just click on this. So you can just click on any star you wanted to buy. So after that, you click on add debit or credit, and this is where you put your, once you do this, save your card, then you'll be able to buy the star code and you can use it very easily. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.